Hello, hello. I've got a unboxing slash review for you today of a light, but this is a solar light. Something you could take camping or something along those lines. It's from a company called FuKang, FuKang, and it's $19.99 on Amazon. It is called the LED Solar Outdoor Camping Light Bulbs Solar Charging Portable Handheld for Night Trip Light. I love gadgets like this, especially solar stuff, or USB power for that matter. There is some stuff included in here as well. This is for the solar panel, actually. This is like a stake you can put in the ground, and here is the mount for it. Of course, they go in there like so. Or you can use screws and mount it to a wall. The solar panel, which you'll see down inside here in a second, would just slide on there and mount to it. This is the solar panel here. There's obviously a plastic cover over it protecting it. Has a micro USB connector on the end and a fairly, just a nice long cable here. Not sure exactly how long. I haven't taken it apart yet. I haven't done anything with it yet, so I'll measure it later. But here's the mount here on the back, and it slides in one of these ways, yeah, like that. And you can just lock it into place. And like I said, you can mount it to the wall with the holes, or you can stick it in the ground with the included little stake, which I was really confused what this was originally. But anyway, instructions for the bulb. Okay, bulb. But anyway, basic specs we've got here. Let's see, 4-hour working time, 210 milliamp current, 13,000 to 15,000 cold white, 120 lumens, on-off button, 1200 mAh battery. That's what I was looking for. Oh, it says 18650. So maybe, is there an 18650 battery in here? Huh, I don't know. But this is the light here. We have a nice little metal hook, actually, which I'm surprised. Others have plastic. I have something similar to this one, but it's not solar or nothing like that. There's our micro USB port. There's our on-off button. And then this little tiny hole there is actually an LED light to let you know it's charging. It lights up red for charging, and then it turns green when it's done. But there's no modes or nothing like that for it. It's just on and off. See? So you can hang it up as a light, or you can carry it around with you as a flashlight, which I think is kind of neat, because it does fit in your hand like that. I don't know if this comes apart or not. I don't want to break it. Okay, maybe not. It's weird that it says 18650 on there, but it doesn't come apart. Huh. Yeah, alright, I don't want to break it. Anyway, FuKang LED solar light, $19.99. I think it's worth it personally for everything that comes with it, especially the solar panel and stuff like that, and a little mounting. But the light itself is nice. You can use it off anything. You can power it off your computer, or just a portable power bank, or solar, obviously. So it's got multiple uses there. Be great for camping, hiking, or something like that. As you can see, the clip comes right off, and you can, better use it as a flashlight, for the clip there. But that's it. I think it's a decent product myself. I like it, but I'm partial to little gadgets like this, so But that's it. Thanks.